If you're even thinking about using Document Extract AI, there are 7 crucial things you need to know, especially because this just released AI software is changing the game in document automation. Stick around because one of these could save you hours of wasted time or money. By the way, you can try Document Extract AI completely free using the first link in the description below. No credit card required. And trust me, after testing hundreds of tools in digital marketing and automation, this one has a serious edge, but only if you know how to use it right. So here's what most reviews won't tell you. First off, Document Extract AI isn't just about reading PDFs. It's trained to understand structure, extract specific data fields, and even handle complex formatting, like tables and multi-column layouts. That's a massive win if you're working with invoices, contracts, or scanned forms. Second, the accuracy is next level. Unlike older OCR tools that give you raw, messy text, this one actually interprets the context. You can tell it exactly what kind of data to extract. And it learns from corrections. It's like having a virtual data entry assistant that never gets tired. Third, it integrates seamlessly with most cloud drives, Google Drive, Dropbox, and even email attachments. You can literally set it up to pull new docs in real time, process them, and output the data to Google Sheets or a CRM. That kind of workflow automation used to take hours of setup. Now it's a few clicks. Fourth, there's a built-in template builder. You don't need coding experience. Just upload a document, highlight the info you want, names, dates, invoice numbers, and boom, it builds a custom extraction model. This alone makes it perfect for non-tech users or solopreneurs. Fifth, it supports over 100 languages, including complex ones like Japanese and Arabic. If you're handling international docs, that's a huge plus. Most software in this space gets tripped up outside of English. This one doesn't. Sixth, and this is big, the privacy and compliance setup is solid. End-to-end encryption, GDPR ready, and no data is stored unless you ask it to. For finance, legal, and healthcare use cases, that's critical. And seventh, the pricing model. You only pay for what you use. And the free plan is surprisingly generous. If you're extracting under a few hundred documents a month, you might not even need to upgrade. So, is Document Extract AI the best just released AI software of the year? In the document automation space, yes, especially when you compare it to tools that cost 10x more and deliver half the results. Try it free with the link below. And if you stick around to the end, here's a bonus tip. If you're using Zapier, Make.com, or any API tools, Document Extract AI plays nicely. You can build full automations like, if invoice received, extract total, send to QuickBooks. That's next level. Check the description for my top recommended AI tools you can try for free. I've tested thousands. These are the few worth your time.